Mom or Dad are in the nest with the fish if you
You
get the urge to go back.
In the church, but how far up would you say he is in this tree?
Oh gosh,
Maybe 50 feet?
Yeah.
Probably
No,
50.
40.
About 40-ish feet.
The
from
nest
ground.
tree is 60. He's
So
30.
it's probably, it's closer to the ground than...
30.
What?
Oh, we hear Mom.
Yeah, she's calling him.
It's right there, flying.
Mommy's calling.
Yeah, they're like, where are you?
Do you hear her? Yeah. Oh, look. You and your little head.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
You and your little head. Yeah, Mommy's calling. Quick, Mommy's calling.
I got my camera on manual, and it looks like pure daylight up here. It's cool.
Oh.
I want to get my turn right. My first year.
There you are. Okay, we're going to wait for you to come back.
When did we leave the nest? Just recently?
Oh, 8:27.